This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, April 6th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness streaming in from the west coast through the Rockies and the Plain States into the Midwest, and the cold front off the eastern seaboard is taking the copious amounts of severe weather with it. Here's the watch warning map. From last evening, fairly quiet, except for a few winter weather issues over the northwest, and that's about all that's going on. So relatively quiet, but that won't last. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. This is going to include 2 storm systems over the state, thus the reason why at least 1 inch to 2 inches of rain is possible over the state. Let's take a look at it. This is the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see pretty much a zonal flow over the country, a westerly flow with the trough out over the east and west. You can see at the surface a few showers possible over the eastern counties at the beginning in the morning hours, and they should be moving out with drier conditions and clear skies and temperatures relatively close to today. We head to Thursday. Here comes another storm system moving in. A warm front will be to the south of the state. Some moisture also there, so some showers, maybe a thunderstorm then. That'll move off by Friday, so it'll be most likely a Thursday afternoon, evening into very early Friday event before that moves off. Friday afternoon it'll be dry with partly sunny skies. But Saturday, here comes another storm system, and this one could be a lot stronger. There could be a warm front nearby again, showers and thunderstorms, and severe weather is possible. So let's take a look at it. This is the STP, Significant Tornado Parameter, at 7 p.m. Saturday evening, and you can see that red area is pretty much maxed out between 7 and 10. A 10 is likely that a tornado will be possible. That's not given that a tornado is possible. This is just a parameter. Now here's this parameter. This is the supercell parameter of storms that will form into supercells, and that white area over the eastern part of the state is very maxed out. So the cells that form Saturday night will likely be in the form of supercells and not the linear shape we had last weekend. And this is the Craven Significant Severe Weather Parameter of the storms that form. Will they have significant severe weather? This is totally maxed out over the eastern part of the state and virtually way over max over the entire state, so any severe weather will likely be significant. Back to the GFS Model Run. This is Sunday at 1 p.m. Trough moving into the western part of the state, with a vortex moving in north of Kansas City. At the surface, the cold front should be just exiting the state or about to exit the state. The severe weather will likely occur Saturday late afternoon through about Sunday morning, with maybe another shot of rain Sunday night. By Monday, the storm is long gone. Cooler conditions. Temperatures will be back to near average, highs in the upper 50s to maybe lower 60s over the state. Tuesday, here comes a small system north of the state. That could bring a sprinkle or a few showers over the northwestern counties late Tuesday into Tuesday night. And by Wednesday, that front is now looks to be stalling over the central part of the state, so there could be some showers, maybe a clap of 2 or thunder, and nothing much more than that. We head into Voodoo Country. Here's April the 17th, a zonal flow over the country, but a little bit of a trough just to the west of the state. Down at the surface, you can see there will be a cold front moving in, maybe a shower, a thunderstorm. Severe weather doesn't look likely with this setup, at least at this time. And we move ahead to the end of the forecast period. On April the 21st, a southwesterly flow aloft with a ridge over the southeast and a trough over the Pacific Northwest. And at the surface, it could be stormy, southwesterly flow aloft. We could see some warmer conditions, maybe a shower, thunderstorm, severe weather. It's all possible. It is April in Iowa. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.